Everybody, it's Ms.Salazar and welcome to health class. So today we're going to be talking about how much food you can eat, and specifically we're going to be talking about serving sizes. So what is a serving? So a serving size is the amount of food that you eat. So one serving of bread is like eating one slice of bread, and that's going to equal 1 ounce. One serving of rice is half a cup, and here you have a picture of half a cup. And over here, 1 cup is about the size of a tennis ball. So if you take a measuring cup and the measuring cup has measures, right? And it's going to say 1 cup. So if you look at the line where it says 1 cup, and let's say that you pour in some pasta, right? And you get to the line where it says 1 cup, that's going to be about the size of a tennis ball. That's how much pasta you are eating. So 1 cup of pasta is like eating the size of a tennis ball. And it's sort of like eating the size of a regular apple. Look over here. 3 ounces is about the size of a bar of soap. So if you want to eat chicken or beef or like this piece of bread, for example, but you don't want to eat a lot, so you can sort of think about the bar of soap. So a bar of soap is sort of like 3 ounces. It's a little bit of the meat that you're eating, not too much, maybe not too little, maybe just the right amount. So that's going to be 3 ounces. Over here, half a cup is about the size of a light bulb. So here you have half a cup. Inside, you have popcorn. So if you're measuring the food that you're eating and you want to eat just a little bit of popcorn, then you can take the measuring cup that says half a cup. That's what it looks like, half a cup, and you pour in the popcorn, that's going to be about the size of a light bulb. So that's about how much popcorn you're eating, really, the size of a light bulb. Over here, you have 2 tablespoons, is about the size of a ping pong ball. So let's say that you're making a peanut butter and jelly sandwich, right? Let's say that you're using 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, right? So that's going to be about the size of a ping pong ball. So 2 tablespoons of peanut butter is going to be the size of a ping pong ball. When I say tablespoons, I'm just talking about a regular spoon. That's going to be a tablespoon, just a regular spoon. So it's important that when you're eating, you don't eat everything that you want. And when I say that, I mean that you don't eat without thinking about the amount that you're eating. It's extremely important that you eat we know you eat vegetables and fruits and your protein and your grains and your dairy, but it's also important that you take into consideration, you think about how much you are eating. Let's see, it says remember to watch your serving sizes. Exactly. So let's say that you have a plate of fruits, right? And the plate is just full of fruits. It's almost falling off from the plate. And you think you're eating healthy because you're eating fruits, but the serving size is just way too much. So actually you're not really eating healthy. You're overdoing it because you're just eating too much. So it's important that you take into consideration that you think about eating healthy and also thinking about how much do you eat. Let's see. So at the back of any products, right? Any products that you're eating, you're going to have the nutrition facts. The nutrition facts are basically going to tell you the nutrition that that food has. If you look over here, it says 16 servings per container. So let's say that you buy a bag of Doritos, right? So you buy a bag of Doritos, and at the back of the bag, it says 16 servings per container. What that is telling you is that basically you can serve Doritos 16 times. Right? 16 servings. You're serving Doritos roughly or approximately 16 times. Let's say that you have a bag of Twizzlers. I think that's the type of candy, right? And it says that the serving size is 10. So 10 servings per container. So you have in the bag of Twizzlers, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 sticks. That's basically what it's telling you, right? So it's going to depend on the type of food, but the servings, it's just telling you the amount of servings in that bag. So the bag of Twizzlers has 10 servings per container, meaning that you have 10 sticks. Let's see. Okay, so here's a video that explains serving sizes. Let's see. I'm going to click on the video. You guys have this video in LMS. I'm going to see if I can go to where it says peanut butter, or there you go, Twizzlers. Twizzlers. Okay, perfect. So, serving size, you have 4 sticks. Oh, let's see. Let's go back. There you go. So serving size, 4 sticks, right? That's the serving size. And then it says 1 serving. So that is what it's telling you, is that in that bag of Twizzlers, you have 4 serving sizes. You have 4 sticks. But where it says 1 serving, it's telling you that by eating only one Twizzler, this is all of the nutrition that you're getting by eating only one. So that's what it means. When you see 1 serving, it's talking about that one piece of candy. Let's see. I think there's something about peanut butter. There you go. So you have 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. So that's the serving size, right? 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Let's see. And then 1 serving, oh, let's go back. Okay, and then in 1 serving, you have, let's see, there you go. 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. And then in 1 serving, in eating only just 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, this is all the nutrition that you're getting. So that is what the video is telling you. And it also explains it explains other things, but that's basically what it is. So serving size. Think about the bag of Twizzlers. You have a bag of Twizzlers that has 4 serving sizes. That means that you have 4 sticks, and where it says 1 serving, it's talking about that one piece of Twizzler. So by eating that one piece of Twizzler, you're getting the amount a specific amount of nutrition and protein and sugar and all that stuff. Let's see. Now we can go back. Um, Okay, there you go. The assessment. I can explain to you guys the assessment because you guys have 2 of them. So this is going to be your first one, right? So this is page 34 from the workbook, and you're going to draw a line matching the object to its serving size. So remember that we talked about the light bulb, the tennis ball, the bar of soap, the ping pong ball, and you're going to match them. That's what you're going to do. Match the household item to the serving size. And then this is going to be your second assessment, my healthy plate. So number 1, you're going to print this paper. Number 2, you're going to divide the plate into 4 sections by drawing a cross. There you go, I drew a cross. Number 3, draw a line from each section and write the name of the food group. So in this small plate, you have your dairy. Over here, you have your grains, your fruits, your vegetables, and your protein. Number 4, paste pictures of foods that belong to each food group. So you're going to look for pictures, you're going to cut them, and you're going to paste pictures of grains where it says grains. You're going to paste pictures of fruits where it says fruits. Same thing for vegetables and protein and dairy. Okay, so how many pictures? Minimum 1 picture, but if you can do more than one picture, but the least that you can do is one picture for each group. Let's see. And number 5, of course, don't forget the small plate because this is also a food group. So you're going to look for pictures that for pictures of food, and you're going to classify them. These are the grains, these are the fruits, the vegetables, the protein, the dairy. Okay, that's what you're going to do. And then parents, you're going to send the assessment to LMS in PDF, both of them. Bye, everybody. That's going to be it for today.